Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on the Cobo Wallet application. So, without further ado, let's get started right away. The first thing to do is to open your Cobo Wallet application from your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Then, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right-hand corner. Tap on Account and Security from your profile page, and then tap on the 2FA toggle button right next to Google 2FA. Now, you will need to enter the verification code that will be sent to you via your email inbox. Simply go ahead and type in the code that you received after checking your inbox and tap Next. Before turning on the two-factor authentication, make sure to write down or print a copy of your 16-digit key. Once you've backed it up, tap on I backed up and turn on 2FA. Now, at the bottom, go ahead and download your Google Authenticator application on your device. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Authenticator. Look for this application and download it on your device. Once you've downloaded the application, tap on Open and tap Get Started. Log into your Google Authenticator account by choosing one of your Google accounts, and then tap on the plus button at the bottom right. Once signed in, tap on Enter a Setup Key and in the Key tab, paste in the key that you copied from your wallet. In the Account option, enter your wallet's name just to make it identical and tap on Add. Now, tap on the Cobo verification code generated and get to the Cobo Wallet page, pasting the code, and you will be able to enable two-factor authentication for your Cobo crypto wallet. 2FA is an effective way to prevent account intrusions when the account password is leaked. So, that is how you can easily enable two-factor authentication on the Cobo crypto wallet. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.